माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Shri Ashwini Kumar Choube.
महोदय, मैं आपके आदेश से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 पर अपने नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कागजात को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया सिंह पटेल.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Shri V. Muralidharan.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department-Headed Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav. Kanimoji, oh, please. Acha, Kanimoji, NV and Somo.
Good morning, sir.
A new member.
I rise to present a copy, each of the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department-Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. First one, 130th report on action taken by government and on the recommendations and observations contained in its 123rd report on outbreak of pandemic COVID-19 and its management. Second, 131st report on the action taken by government on the recommendations, observations contained in its 128th report on demands for grants 2021-2022, demand number 4 of the Ministry of Ayush, and 132nd report on action taken by government on the recommendations and observations contained in its 127th report on demands for grants 2021-2022, demand number 45 of the Department of Health Research. Thank you.
Good. Seniors should encourage like this. Of course, they have been encouraging because so that the newcomers also they understand. Good ma. Statement of the Committee on Empowerment of Women. This is Saroj Pandey. Srimati Ramila Ben Vicharbhai Bara.
थैंक यू चेयरमैन श्री। माननीय अध्यक्ष श्री, मैं आज की सूची में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लेखनीय महिलाओं के लिए योग और खेल सुविधा विषय पर यथा सूचीबद्ध महिलाओं को शक्तियों प्रदान करने संबंधी समिति द्वारा की गई अंतिम कार्यवाही का विवरण हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटेल पर रखती हूँ।
Statement regarding government business, Shri V. Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, sir, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 6th of December 2021 may consist of 1. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 8 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 30th September 2021, and consideration and passing of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 9 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 14th November 2021, and consideration and passing of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 3. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 10 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 14th November 2021, and consideration and passing of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by the Lok Sabha. 4. Consideration passing of the High Court and Supreme Court Judges' Salaries and Conditions of Service Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 5. Consideration and passing of the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill as passed by Lok Sabha. 6. Consideration and passing of the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 as passed by Lok Sabha and as reported by Select Committee. 7. Consideration and passing of the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 8. Consideration and return of the appropriation bill related to the second batch of supplementary demands for grants for the year 2021-22 after its presentation and passing by Lok Sabha.
What is the issue?
Important issue, sir. Can I just take 30 seconds?
What is the issue?
Sir, just 30 seconds. Give me nothing against
No, no,
you or house.
you know that. You
Sir,
have to
it's
tell me what is
about,
the issue,
it's
otherwise
about
okay.
a gate crash where 12 members are sitting in front of Gandhi statue, sir. But BJP members went there while we accept that you should have also sat there. But gate crashing, sir, it amounts to
Right.
taking away the democratic values.
No,
Sir, that's
everybody has
what
got a right.
I would want.
Yes. Yeah. I can only, I can only say, pray महात्मा गांधी this thing, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान, बस.